Well, hello, my revivers. Today I'm coming to you with a haul, and it is from Wegmans grocery store, it is from Walmart, and it is from Aldi's, and it's kind of mixed in. And this is a haul for my Queen's Mingle and some things that we needed for our house. This is like a lot of the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the foods that I'm making for the actual Queen's Mingle. So I'm going to share that with you. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do the put away because my daughter is not here, so it's kind of difficult to keep moving the camera up and down to get into the cabinets, but we shall see. If so, you'll be surprised and it'll be at the end. Maybe I can put some of it away, but yeah, starting from this end, I just wanted these because I like to snack on them. I like the caramel ones. It's hard to find them. I got these from Aldi, so that's an apple chip. They are really good if you haven't tried them. I'm going to be making a lemon lime punch, rum punch for the Queen's Mingle, and that is the sherbet. I couldn't find the just lime sherbet, so we're going to go with the orange lemon and lime. I got some tri-pasta from Aldi's, and that is for my pasta salad. I have some apple straws for RIZZY. That's from Aldi's as well. I got some tomatoes for my little taco cups, and for, I don't know if I'm putting that in a pasta salad this time. It depends. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But that's what I got that for. I got some heavy whipping cream for my biscuits in the morning, but also for a fruit dessert, a fruit dip that I'm going to be making for those who don't want like the cakes and the things that I'm making, other sweet things. So got some toothpicks. I got some zesty Italian for my pasta salad. I have some large shrimps from Aldi's. This is from Walmart. Large shrimps for my fried deviled eggs with the shrimps on them. And then I have a bag of potatoes just for our home. My husband said we needed some more. I got some imitation crab. Y'all know I usually do the regular crab, but I'm making a lot more and I wanted it to stretch. So a little bit of this may go into the pasta salad. Then again, it may not, but it's imitation. So if you have an allergic reaction, it wouldn't be to imitation. So that's why I try to get this when I'm hosting something, because if you have a allergic reaction to crab, you should be fine with this. So I might put some of that in my pasta salad, not sure. I'm making some homemade meatballs, some sweet and spicy meatballs. So I'm going to be using this ground turkey. This is also for my fruit dip. Sour cream, because I'm going to be making a another type of dip, Philly cheese steak dip. So that's what that's for. Some cream cheese for the Philly cheese steak dip, and for something else I'm going to be using this for. Can't think of it. Oh, my wontons. I'm going to be doing some crab wontons and some regular wontons. Sweet and sour sauce for the wonton dip. Some Parmesan cheese for my pasta salad, and for the baguettes that I have that I'm going to be making. Some pineapples that I'm going to cut up, and that's going to be for these two. I'm just making a little small fruit salad with strawberries and pineapples. I'm going to puree some of this for some shortcakes, and some of this for some shortcakes, so they have choice of pineapple or strawberry. And this will be dipped in bigger chunks in the fruit dip. I have some cereal. I wanted to see how their cereal tastes, because we used to get this from Aldi's, and it was 2 for $3. And these are the cinnamon squares. And then we also have the graham squares. I love the Aldi's graham squares, so we're going to check those out and see how those are. As you can see, I have strawberries, some cups they can either put their fruit in and they can drink their punch out of, some soda for the punch, a cucumber for the pasta salad, some provolone cheese for the steak and cheese dip, some Kobe Jack for the pasta salad, some turkey pepperonis for the pasta salad, and some tortillas. And these are to make little mini cups, to make little mini taco cups. And I have some baguette bread that I'm going to be cutting really thin and putting garlic and stuff on for the actual steak and cheese dip. And y'all know we always got to have this in the house. We ran out, so we needed some ginger ale. Then I got some lunch meat for the girls' lunch boxes, and this is turkey breast and honey ham, which hubby wanted it. We're trying to get away from it slowly but surely, but work with us, work with us. Then I got a 36 count of eggs, which is $2.98 from Walmart. Great deal. We ran out of eggs, so we needed those. And then we have 2 ranches. They live on ranch in my house. And then we have some apple juice. And then I also bought 3 of the Wegmans bags. These are some really strong, durable bags. So I bought 3 of them. No, actually I bought 2, and because I have a new membership, they gave me a free one for opening up a membership as a welcome. So this is all that I got, guys, and I'm gonna put some of it away and let you guys see that as much as I can and go from there. So let's get started. So I didn't put everything away because I'm getting ready to start preparing a lot of this food. So tomorrow won't be a busy day for me. So I'm getting ready to make these cups. The baguettes, I'm going to wait till tomorrow. I'm actually going to put that away because I don't need to do anything with that. The punch, I'm going to wait till tomorrow. So I'm going to keep that out. And over here, guys, I bought some sodas. And why 2 of the sodas was busted. Yeah. So I got to take that back to Aldi's. I'm boiling my water to start my pasta salad. And the pasta's there. So that's why I didn't put that up. And then I have my eggs boiling for my deviled eggs. And then I have my pineapple getting ready to get cut. My shrimps unthawing. I'm leaving that out for the pasta salad. And I'm thawing out my turkey, ground turkey. And I'm getting ready to make my mix for my wonton. So that's why I didn't put those things away. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you share. If you have any questions about anything I bought or anything I told you about in the video, please leave it below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later, Gators. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media. But before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.